Hi there, when you're out recording with your Osmo Pocket 3, you don't really want the same bit of video playing for too long. That's because your viewers will probably get bored and stop watching the video. It also doesn't give you many creative options or possibilities when it comes to editing your video together. Right, so say I'm setting up this tracking shot, I'm just going to drag around my face to start active track. And in this shot, I'm just going to be walking away from the camera. But the problem with this shot, as I'm walking away, this shot's kind of taking a bit too long. And in the edit that you're watching right now, it's going to start to feel a little bit boring and a little bit tedious. All right, let me show you a second edit and see what you think. You can see how that version of the edit didn't feel quite as long or boring. That's because I inserted another shot in the middle of the main shot, the video of my feet walking. This is known as a cutaway shot. I'll give you some examples of cutaway shots in just a second. Some quite nice side lighting going on at the minute. So what is a cutaway shot? Well, a cutaway shot is going to give you the benefit when you're editing your video of letting you change the length or the order of the sequence in the edit. You can insert the cutaway shot wherever you want in the main bit of video. And by the way, cutaways are also the easiest thing to forget to film when you're out shooting. A cutaway should be related to the main shot that you're filming, but it shouldn't be tightly visually connected to the main shot. You want to be able to have a bit of flexibility where you insert it. If these birds will ever shut up. Basically, a cutaway shot should be able to be inserted anywhere you want in the video or in the main sequence without it seeming odd or out of place. Oh, and as a bonus tip, cutaways are really useful for hiding jump cuts in videos. Oh, and if this is the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Jason. This channel's all about making better looking, better sounding and better edited videos. If that's something that's interesting to you, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Some other examples of cutaway shots for this sequence could be, for example, let me just turn you around, some bushes or trees blowing in the wind like this. Could be a detail shot of some bark on a tree like this. Or you could even cut to a wide shot like this and then cut back to the main action. This is the video you should absolutely watch next if you want to keep learning how to get the very best out of your Osmo Pocket 3. I'm Jason Roberts and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.